Hi, DGTV. We're here in the Pakistan consulate in downtown Vancouver with Mohammed Abbas and Tariq Paracha, who is the chef de mission for the Pakistani Olympic team. Now, right off the bat, you guys tell us a little bit about your team. Tariq, how many members?
Well, we have just the one athlete. He's qualified against great odds.
So, Tariq, this is the first time that Pakistan has had representatives in the Winter Games. Tell me a little bit, what was the reaction at home when this happened, when Mohammed got the green light to go?
Well, everyone was very excited.
So we have to obviously touch on the part that your event, Mohammed's event, is giant slalom in the alpine discipline. How does Mohammed end up being a giant slalom racer? Can you ask him how that came about?
ये मैंने तो स्की तो मैं जब 2007, 8, 9 में ये मैं ऑस्ट्रिया से सर सीखी है और फिर ट्रेनिंग जो है वो दो महीने की ट्रेनिंग की है. उसके बाद जो है फिर लेबनान से मैंने जेट स्लालम के लिए विंटर ओलंपिक्स में क्वालिफाई किया.
Well, he started out as a young kid in his village, which is up in the north in the mountains. He started his skiing there on wood skis, handmade wood skis, and then a few years later, the Pakistan Ski Federation picked him up, and he went for training to Japan initially, and then to Austria.
Can you ask him about, being the first winter athlete from Pakistan to qualify for Olympics, skier? Does he feel any pressure? Is he nervous about representing his country?
नहीं कोई कुछ भी नहीं है. तो मुझे तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम पाकिस्तान के लिए, पाकिस्तान के नाम के लिए ये सब कुछ कर रहा हूँ.
He's very excited. He's very happy. He says that's all he feels. He doesn't feel the pressure or nervousness.
So, Mohammed, what was it like when the first time you got off the homemade wooden skis onto real skis? What went through your mind?
जो बचपन में लकड़ी वाली स्कीज थी, उससे जब आप ये बनाई हुई स्कीज पे आए तो कैसा लगा आपको? क्या फ़र्क महसूस
मुझे
हुआ?
बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क महसूस हुआ. और फिर वुडन की स्कीज और फिर जो दूसरी स्की उनमें तो बहुत फ़र्क है सर. तो ये एयरफोर्स की मेहरबानी है कि मुझे इस मुकाम तक लकड़ी की स्कीज से फिर चेंज करके पहुंचाया हुआ है.
Well, it was a world of difference. Those were handmade and much slower, and the manufactured modern skis are, of course, well balanced and much faster.
Can you ask Mohammed what does he think about Whistler? It's one of the greatest ski resorts in the world.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा और बहुत नाइस, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जगह है. देखने के लिए भी बहुत अच्छी, और स्की के लिहाज से देखा जाए तो बहुत बड़ी अच्छी लिफ्टिंग और बड़ी वो ग्राउंड्स नज़र आई हैं. तो उनको देख के बड़ा खुश हुए हैं सर कि हम ये.
He says the natural beauty struck him. Whistler is very beautiful, lots of forests and natural beauty. But he was also struck by the large slopes, the long slopes. For him, this is like the big league.
See, what gets him pumped up? What's in his iPod?
कौन से आपको जो म्यूजिक है वो सबसे अच्छी कौन सी लगती है? मगरबी लगती है या
पॉप में? नहीं, पाकिस्तानी ज़्यादा सुनते हैं.
He listens to the Pakistani contemporary pop local language music.
Does he have any pre-race superstitions or good luck charms or things that he does beforehand?
अल्लाह से मदद मांग के फिर इंस्टॉल लेता हूँ.
Well, he just has a short prayer to God for bringing out the best in him.